Hello everyone, Killian here with Thinkware. In today's workshop, we're going to talk about how to connect our brand new LTE module with your U3000 Pro Dashcam. So with the LTE module, you will be able to access your camera remotely, giving you access to features such as remote live view, geofencing, route history, and impact notifications. Currently, the LTE module will be compatible with our brand new U3000 Pro model, but in the future, it will be compatible with other models as well. All right, so next, let's go through a step-by-step on how to connect the module to your dashcam.
USIM registration has been requested. Press the REC button to proceed.
All right, guys, there you have it. Now you have step-by-step instructions on how to connect your LTE module. For more information, be sure to connect with us on our website at www.thinkwarestore.com.